In a world where billionaires already own skyscrapers, islands, and superyachts, a new frontier is calling: space. The richest minds on Earth, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson, are not just competing for profit anymore. They're competing for the future of humanity itself. Welcome to the Billionaire Space Race, a journey beyond Earth, where vision, ego, and innovation collide. It all started when NASA slowed down. Governments stopped funding massive space programs, and the stars became distant dreams again. But then, something unexpected happened. A new generation of entrepreneurs, billionaires born in the tech revolution, decided to take the challenge into their own hands. In 2002, a young South African engineer named Elon Musk founded SpaceX with one goal: to make humanity multiplanetary. Just 2 years later, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos secretly started his own space company, Blue Origin, with a dream to build a home for millions of people in space. And then came Richard Branson, the rebel billionaire, who launched Virgin Galactic, not to colonize Mars, but to give everyday people the experience of leaving Earth's atmosphere. This wasn't just science anymore. It was the rebirth of the space dream. Each billionaire had his own vision. And his own rocket. Elon Musk bet everything on Falcon 1, and failed 3 times. But on the 4th try, SpaceX made history. He became the first private company to launch a rocket into orbit and safely return it to Earth. That single success changed everything. Jeff Bezos took a quieter path. Blue Origin's rockets, named New Shepard and New Glenn, focused on reusability and tourism. Bezos said it best: "We need to build a road to space, so future generations can build there." And Branson? He went commercial. Virgin Galactic became the first company to actually fly civilians to the edge of space. It wasn't Mars. But it was the beginning of space tourism. The numbers are staggering. SpaceX is now valued at over $180 billion. Blue Origin employs over 10,000 engineers. And Virgin Galactic's first commercial flight sold for $450,000 per seat. But this isn't just about business. It's about who owns the future. Each launch, each satellite, each reusable rocket brings humanity closer to something bigger and brings these billionaires one step closer to immortality through innovation. Elon wants to build cities on Mars. Bezos dreams of giant space colonies orbiting Earth. Branson wants to turn space travel into a luxury lifestyle. 3 men. 3 visions. 1 race, beyond the limits of Earth. But what drives these men to invest billions in something so uncertain? For Musk, it's survival. He believes Earth won't last forever. Humanity must have a plan B. For Bezos, it's expansion. He wants to move heavy industries off Earth and keep our planet green. For Branson, it's experience. He believes that the thrill of space can inspire millions to dream bigger. In truth, they're all driven by the same force: the desire to do something no one else can. The future is closer than we think. SpaceX is preparing for its first crewed Mars mission within this decade. Blue Origin is developing massive orbital habitats. Virgin Galactic plans to make suborbital flights a weekly routine. Meanwhile, new billionaires are entering the race, from Google co-founders investing in satellites, to countries like India and UAE pushing private partnerships. Space is no longer science fiction. It's the new economy. And billionaires are building it. From Earth's richest cities to the silence of the stars, this is the ultimate Lux and Amp hustle story. A story not just of money, but of vision, courage, and the hunger to touch the impossible. Because in this new era, the sky is no longer the limit. End screen. Subscribe for more billionaire stories, only on Lux and Amp Hustle.